In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Amazon. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected using the Spreadio app so you can bring in Amazon products quickly and cleanly. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your store's admin. You'll land on your Shopify dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Apps. This is where you manage everything you install to extend your store's features. In the Apps area, use the search to find Spreadio. This app is designed specifically to work with Amazon, making it a straightforward choice for linking the two platforms. When you see Spreadio in the results, click it to open its listing page. Take a moment to skim the description so you know what it does and how it integrates. Next, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to work properly. Approve the install to continue. After a brief moment, the Spreadio setup screen will open inside your Shopify admin so you can finish connecting things. Inside Spreadio, click Amazon to set Amazon as your source. This simply tells the app where you'll be importing products from. If you see options for different Amazon marketplaces, choose the one that matches where your audience shops most often. This helps with accurate pricing and availability. Now you're ready to bring in your first product. Copy the Amazon product link you want to add to your store. Back in Spreadio, paste your Amazon link into the provided field. The app will pull in the product's title, images, description, and price details from Amazon, so you don't have to build the listing from scratch. Follow the prompts on your store to complete the connection and confirm settings. This may include selecting whether you're using affiliate links or importing as a product, choosing collections or tags, and confirming how pricing should display. Read each screen carefully so your product appears the way you expect on your storefront. Once those prompts are complete, feel free to import the product. Give the page a quick review to make sure the title, images, and description look good. If you're using affiliate links, ensure the product button routes shoppers to Amazon as intended. If you're listing it as a product in your store, verify that pricing and inventory settings match your strategy. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to Apps, found Spreadio, clicked Amazon, installed the app, pasted your Amazon link, followed the prompts, and then imported your product. With this workflow in place, you can repeat the process for any additional products you want to feature.